Hey everybody, thanks for clicking. In this video, we're going to make a mess in the shop by trying to create less mess in the shop, if that makes sense. We're making a drill holder out of some PVC pipe, some scrap wood, and a little ingenuity. So anyway, stick around. Hope you guys like this one. Alright, so we just built that thing last night. Continuing on the momentum of improving the organization in the shop and making it even more functional, I'm going to build something to alleviate some of these bags. Now this bag, this has my drills. This bag has my DA, and then the red bag, which you can't see, has my angle grinder. So because I don't have a whole lot of space, whether it be in drawers or in shelves or anything like that, I try to keep it organized by building this shelf initially to house like those totes and whatnot and like some quick grab items. Now, it's pretty easy just to go and grab a drill out of the bag, but I don't know, I don't really like it because if I have to get the tote behind it, you know, I obviously got to move the bag. This seems like a small thing, but anyway, what I've got is some PVC pipe, and I'm going to channel out a little section. I've just been seeing a lot of photos of people doing this online, so figured I'd kind of follow suit, but this will allow me to actually hang my drills from like under here, which would be the goal. So we'll have like a section of pipe back here, and then have a little channel for it, and then I'll have my 3 drills or my impact, and then my 2 drills, just slide them in under here. And then depending on what I can find with whether it be my new or old battery chargers, I'll hopefully be able to hang that under there. And then if I want to get really crazy, I want to build a little container or a slot for my drill bits and stuff like that, because I do find myself going into this drawer most often out of almost any drawer that I have, and I just access my drill bits and Dremel and things like that. So I don't know, if I can move those, that'd be great. If not, not that big a deal. But make it quick, easy access. So for now, I'm going to maybe start thinking about how I want to put like a board in here to start attaching things, and then we'll start working on cutting this stuff down. Alright, so here's where I'm at. I have my pieces cut, they're fitted, and then to actually hang these things up, I'm going to use just some board I had in my basement here. It's some 3/4 inch wood, and it's going to be designated to go up in this channel underneath here. Now, the issue that I'll have is the overall length or width that I have to deal with here is going to be exceeded in the corner. So what I'll do is I'll just chop like a little bit off on each corner. That way I can, you know, screw these to the bottom and then rotate it in. That way it can actually slide into place. And then from there, you know, unless you're spinning it sideways, which you're not going to do, it's not going to fall out. So I'll take a little bit off each corner, get one dialed in, and then from there go ahead and screw these things to here, put them in place, and we should have a cool little operational system. Oh yeah. Perfect. Take a little off the corner. Good to go. There you have it. That was pretty damn simple, highly effective. I really dig it. So, easy access. Yeah, it fit great. And the fact that there's a channel along the whole side, I could always move these in any position along either of these racks. Yeah, really easy to put in. So, all in all, I'm into this for like 12 bucks or something like that. I had to buy the PVC pipe, and then I'm just scrounging around looking for pieces of wood and extra screws that I had. So that's why I ground down the top of the screws instead of buying like an actual, you know, specified length or anything like that. Just using what I got. Trying to save a little cash. So anyway, I think it looks really good. Definitely going to be doing more projects. So lately we've done the Allen wrench organizer, of course this, and then last night we did the metal rack. So moving some stuff around, trying to get organized, more organized in here. That's the goal. Anyway, hope you guys like this one. Definitely not my idea. I don't know who really kind of came up with it first, but it seems like a popular little design. So anyway, hope you guys liked the video, and I hope to see you in the next one. Thank you for watching.